if we have another case. Well, we'll have to get our best detective on it. But who? Me, of course. So, Detective, do you have any idea on the suspects? Yes, I do, but I found something else that could shed some light on the case. Grab that envelope. It may shed some light on why this person killed himself. But for now, I need to go back to the station and think this over.